Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I am astrologer N. Baksh, and today we're diving into 2025 predictions for Gemini. This year is influenced by the powerful energy of Mars, bringing dynamic shifts and motivating Geminis to seek new directions in life. Known for their adaptability and curiosity, 2025 encourages you to harness these traits to achieve personal and professional growth. With significant movements of Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus, the year will be filled with opportunities and challenges. Let's explore what each month and planetary transit has in store for your finances, career, relationships, health, and more. The financial outlook for Gemini in 2025 is promising, especially during the first half of the year. Jupiter in the 10th house favors financial gains through career achievements and personal efforts. January through March is ideal for investments as Venus's favorable influence adds stability. However, with Saturn affecting her 8th house, cautious financial planning is essential, particularly between July and September when unexpected expenses may arise. Avoid impulsive investments in October as Mars's influence may trigger risky decisions. Instead, focus on disciplined savings and modest investments throughout the year. By December, you'll find opportunities for long term financial security, possibly through property or retirement plans. For business owners, Gemini will benefit from the creative influence of Venus, particularly in fields like communication, media, and technology. April to July is a favorable time for expansion, partnerships, or product launches, supported by Jupiter's placement. However, Saturn's aspect on your business house warns against high risk ventures. Instead, focus on conservative growth, especially during August and September when challenges may arise. For job seekers and employed individuals, career prospects are strong this year, with excellent chances for recognition and promotions, particularly in April and May. Mars in the 10th house energizes your ambition, making it a great period for networking and building alliances. Saturn, however, may bring challenges in September, urging caution in professional interactions. Avoid conflicts and focus on maintaining good relationships with colleagues and higher ups. For Geminis interested in speculative ventures like cryptocurrency or stocks, 2025 brings mixed results. January to March is favorable for modest investments in the stock market, but Saturn's influence advises against heavy risk. Mid-year sees a cooling period in these markets, so proceed cautiously with long-term investments and avoid gambling together. Let's discuss your love and romantic life. This year brings significant opportunities for single Geminis to find meaningful connections, particularly between June and September when Venus enhances attraction and compatibility. Whether through social events or online connections, this is an excellent time to meet someone special. However, be mindful of Mars's influence, which could lead to intense but short lived relationships. Geminis in committed relationships will find 2025 an emotionally enriching year. Expect harmony and closeness with your partner, especially during April to July. However, Saturn may bring challenges in October, so it is essential to maintain open communication to navigate any misunderstandings. Married Gemini should expect stability and support from their spouses this year. With Jupiter's position, shared goals and family planning are favored, particularly in the first half of the year. Saturn may test your patience in the second half, possibly creating minor disputes. Plan quality time together to keep the relationship balanced and harmonious. Family life for Geminis in 2025 will be relatively peaceful, with positive family interactions and support. The early months are ideal for resolving any existing family conflicts as Jupiter's influence promotes harmony. Friendships and social connections will also flourish, especially in the second half of the year, allowing for strong networking and enjoyable gatherings. 2025 brings numerous travel opportunities for both business and leisure. April to June is ideal for work related trips that could lead to professional advancement. For leisure, December is a favorable time for travel, bringing relaxation and new experiences. However, Saturn's influence in October advises caution in travel plans as delays or minor obstacles may occur. For Gemini students, 2025 is a year of focus and achievement, particularly in studies related to technology, business, and journalism. Jupiter's placement encourages success in exams and academic pursuits, especially in March and April. Fields like digital marketing, finance, and artificial intelligence are advantageous for long term prospects. With Saturn's influence, disciplined study routines are essential for steady progress, especially during mid year. Gemini should prioritize their health in 2025 as Saturn in the 8th house may bring occasional low energy or minor health issues. Regular exercise and a balanced diet will help you stay resilient. The influence of Mars in February and March could lead to heightened stress, so incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation will be beneficial. By the end of the year, your health is likely to stabilize, and December will be a particularly rejuvenating period. Mental health is important for Geminis this year. With Mars's energy pushing you to take on new challenges, there might be moments of overwhelm or restlessness. Balancing your activities with sufficient relaxation and setting boundaries will help prevent burnout. Creative outlets and hobbies will also bring much needed mental peace throughout the year. Thank you for joining Sitaruka Safar with me, astrologer and Baksh. This year promises an exciting journey for Gemini filled with growth, relationships, and new opportunities. Remember, each planetary shift guides you towards wisdom and resilience. If you found these insights valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more personalized astrological content. Wishing you a year full of discovery and success.